In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add JavaScript to your Wix website. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you can successfully enhance your site with JavaScript functionality. First, you'll want to navigate over to Wix's homepage and log into your account if you haven't already. This is your central hub for managing your websites, so go ahead and enter your details to get started. Once you're logged in and on the homepage, look to your left-hand side where you'll find a sidebar with various options. Among these, the Setting option will be your next destination. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu where you can manage and customize many aspects of your site. After you've opened Settings, you'll want to locate the option to add custom code. You can simply type in custom code in the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. This is a powerful feature that allows you to integrate third-party tools, track website metrics, and of course, add JavaScript to your site. Once you've found custom code, click on it to proceed. Now, before you can add any JavaScript, it's important to note that this feature is only available on Wix's premium plans. So, if you haven't upgraded your account yet, you might want to consider the different plans available and select one that suits your needs. With the premium plan activated, you're all set to move forward. The next step involves adding your custom JavaScript code. Click on the Add Custom Code button, which will allow you to input any scripts you've prepared. This is where you can get creative or add third-party features to enhance your website. Carefully paste your JavaScript code into the designated area. Make sure the code is properly formatted, and double-check for any errors to ensure it runs smoothly without causing any issues on your site. After pasting your script, you'll need to decide where this code should be applied across your website. Wix gives you the option to choose specific pages or to apply it site-wide. Carefully consider where best to apply this functionality, depending on the purpose of your code. Once you've determined the placement, click on the Apply button located at the bottom of the screen. This action saves your changes and prepares them for execution. Finally, you need to enable the script you've just added. Look for the Enable Switch option. Activating the switch turns your custom code live, allowing it to function as intended on your site. Once enabled, take a moment to navigate your website to ensure that everything looks and behaves as expected. That's it! You've successfully added JavaScript to your Wix website. If everything's working perfectly, congratulations. You've taken an important step toward customizing your site even further.